Hello. Guess what, guys? Well, welcome back to the channel. First of all, guess what? I got the mounts. From FedEx just a while ago. And they're in my car and I'm going home now to unbox this beauty. Man, the mounts are here. And guess what? I'll start taking out this engine this evening. Right? So we are going to do an unboxing though. I'm going to show you what the mounts look like. And remember they are from Asper. So when I reach home I'll get back to you. Okay everyone, welcome back. So I'm home now and I'm actually, outside. So please pardon any noise in the background and so on. So now I'm basically open the box, right, to look at the mounts. Right. So this is one piece right here. This and this, they basically put these two together. I don't know if it was done by the company or because this was repacked by another company. This right there. That. Nothing else in the box. Alright, so let's look what is inside this. Okay. Alright. Okay. What's inside this one? Whoa! Wow! These are so massive. Wow! Passport, guys, made in USA. Woohoo! Okay. This now. And this one feels like the back mount. Yeah. This one is the back mount. Alright, so that's it. These are the mounts. One of these will go on the engine side, one will go on the transmission side, this one go on the back, which will bolt onto the transmission, the oil pan. This one has in all the bolts, right? You can hear them. So if you have been following my channel, you know that I'm unboxing this is the Assport mounting kit to put a K series in a Honda Civic that comes with an R18 engine. So this is my 2007 Honda Civic FD1. So we are going to convert this baby into an FD2 Type R. Right, so I'm going to start bolting on these to the put whatever bracket I need to put on the transmission and whatever I need to put on the engine, and then I'll keep you posted.